EV battery failing? That's like throwing money out the window. I'll show you how to stop the waste. Range dropping like crazy? Your battery is dying and mechanics are licking their chops. Don't let them. Here's how to fight back. I'm about to hand you the keys to EV battery health without emptying your wallet. We're talking DIY diagnostics, people. Think about it, your EV battery is the heart of your ride. A weak heart means weak range, sluggish performance, and a resale value that's depressing. Plus, those mechanic diagnostic fees? Forget about it. This graph clearly shows that professional EV battery diagnostics can cost a small fortune. We're talking hundreds, even thousands, just to find the problem. But what if you could spot the problems before they become catastrophes? What if you could save hundreds, even thousands, by doing a simple check at home? Imagine avoiding a complete battery replacement or catching a failing cell before it damages the entire pack. That's real money saved. That's what I'm going to show you. Quick disclaimer, this is a basic check, not a replacement for a pro. Let's continue. All you need are two simple tools, an affordable multimeter and an OBD2 scanner. That's it. I'm talking maybe $50 total. Compared to hundreds at the shop, this is a no-brainer. Let's dive into step 1, checking the resting voltage. Park your car, turn it off, and let it sit for at least 2 hours. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Grab your multimeter, set it to DC voltage, usually around 20 volts, and connect the probes. Red to positive, black to negative. Now, what voltage are you seeing? A fully charged EV battery cell should read around 3.7 to 4.2 volts per cell. You need to multiply that by the number of cells in your battery pack to get the total voltage. If your reading is significantly lower than expected, that's a red flag. This is a healthy reading. Notice the crucial detail I'm pointing to on screen. But a reading way below that. Time to investigate further. This could indicate a failing cell or module, and catching it early can prevent cascading failures that cost even more to repair. Next up, the OBD2 scanner. This little device plugs into your car's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Turn on your ignition, just the ignition, don't start the engine. Now, use the scanner to read the battery's state of health, often abbreviated as SOH. This percentage tells you how much capacity your battery retains compared to when it was brand new. What's your SOH? Anything below 80% could indicate significant degradation and reduced range. Look closely at this graph showing the correlation between SOH and range reduction. It's a direct relationship, lower SOH, less range. But wait, there's more. The OBD2 scanner can also pull up error codes related to your battery. These codes can give you valuable clues about what's going wrong. For example, you might see a code indicating a problem with a specific cell or a temperature sensor. This information is invaluable when talking to a mechanic because you'll be armed with knowledge and less likely to be taken advantage of. Now remember, these DIY tests are a great starting point. If you see concerning results, it's time to consult a qualified EV technician. Think of it as a first line of defense. Okay, so you've checked your voltage and SOH. Now what? Let's talk about maximizing your battery life. Factors like driving habits, charging patterns, and even the climate you live in all affect battery life. As you can see on screen here, aggressive driving drains the battery faster. Let me show you what I mean. See how the voltage drops under heavy acceleration. That's why consistent, moderate driving is key to maximizing your range. To extend your AV battery life, avoid fast charging as much as possible. It generates heat, and heat is the enemy of battery longevity. Opt for slower, level 2 charging whenever you can. Also, try to keep your battery charged between 20% and 80% for daily use. This reduces stress on the battery cells and prolongs their lifespan. First, as you see here, you need to maintain a healthy charging range. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can also impact battery performance. Park your car in the shade during summer and in a garage during winter if possible. Another tip, reduce unnecessary weight in your car. The lighter your car, the less energy it takes to move it, and the longer your battery will last. Regular software updates from your car manufacturer can also improve battery management and efficiency. Make sure you're always running the latest version. Let's recap. You can test your battery health at home with a multimeter and OBD2 scanner. You can extend your battery life by avoiding fast charging, maintaining a healthy charge range, and driving moderately. And you can save a ton of money by catching problems early. Here's a quick visual montage of different EV models. This applies to you, no matter what you drive. Now, are you ready to take control of your EV's battery health? I bet you are. What other EV maintenance tasks would you like to see DIY tutorials for? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more DIY EV repair guides. Thanks for watching.